Hey guys, it's Paul here, and today we will take a look at one of Nissan's original options for the R34 Skyline, the Altia body kit. Yes! Now, let's do this. Okay, so it's been over a year now since the R34s became legal to import to the US, but there's still a shocking amount of misinformation on the internet. There's a lot of stuff that's outright wrong in regard to the different 34 trims and options. So we wanted to introduce you to one of the more well-known options, which is this here body kit, which was offered for the R34 two-door. Yeah, it's called the Altia body kit in Japan, and consists of a front bumper, side skirts, a rear bumper, and a rear spoiler. Unfortunately, this car does not have the Altia spoiler installed, but well, we will get to it later. Yeah. Okay, with that being said, let's start from the beginning, or the front, with the front bumper. Yeah. And as you can see, it's pretty cool with the black part in the middle. Yeah, Skyline, there we go. It also has some air vents, or rather, well, fake air vents, should I say. Yeah, here you go. It's not really all that different from the regular bumper, but it does have a pretty cool, pretty neat look. Yeah. Next on the side skirts, yeah, there we go. And as you can see, as with the front bumper, there's nothing really all that crazy about this body kit. Yeah, it's not too big, too low. There you go. You have another fake air vent at the end, but it looks slim. It looks pretty good. Yeah, nothing too aggressive, mind you, no. But it is pretty cool. Yeah, very nice. And then the rear bumper, of course. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. It is a bit bigger than the regular one, and as you can see here, it also has some more fake vents right here. Yeah, I mean, it's made to look like steel mesh, but it's plastic. But it does look cool, so I guess it gets the job done. Yeah. One of the bigger differences is here. As you can see, the place that connects to the trunk is under an angle, whereas on the regular bumper it's just going straight down, and then the rest protrudes from the back. This is under a slick, nice angle. It looks pretty good. Yeah, very nice. Another Skyline sign here too. Yeah, very nice indeed. By the way, you could also get some additional stickers, the Skyline letters, to put on this sign to make it look even cooler, although I don't think you really need them. I think it looks pretty good the way it is without any additional stickers and stuff. And this kit was basically available for the two-door. The four-door did get the front bumper, yeah. So it's available. It was available for the four-door. It also got a set of side skirts, but they were shaped a bit differently. They were even more low-key than these here. And then it didn't get the rear bumper, probably because it's the bumpers on the two-door and four-door are shaped differently. On the two-door, you see you have the reverse and brake lamps right here in the middle of the bumper, whereas on the four-door they are here under the taillights. Yeah, so the shape is pretty different. So I don't know, Nissan probably thought it won't, they won't go through this much trouble just to get a bumper for the four-door, which is a shame, honestly, because it would look pretty good on the 4-door too. And also the 4-door did not get the rear spoiler. Now the Altia rear spoiler looks like this. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty big, whereas the kit on the whole is a bit low key. The wing is very big, although the design, which is pretty different to a GT wing, let's say, makes it fit with the rest of the body kit pretty good. Yeah, very nice. So this is it. Yeah, these are the options available back in the day. And well, honestly, this is a very nice looking kit. I mean, right now the probably most popular thing you could do is to get a GTR style, GTR look body kits. I mean, there are some cool options available. We even sell some US kits that look pretty good, but they make it look like a GTR. They make it look aggressive and stuff. But this here, this, for me, this is just the best option for the GTT. Yeah, I mean, it's beautiful. It's its own kit. It doesn't imitate the GTR. It's not too aggressive. It fits with the car perfectly. It's genuinely an astonishing body kit. It's very, very nice, very pretty, and it looks just gorgeous. I mean, what more would you want? Yeah, this is it. So we have a couple of cars with the Altia kit on them if you're interested. So yeah, please take a look at our inventory. And well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more JDM content, more information. Yeah, and this would be it for this video. Thanks again, and goodbye.